of life. Science is the perspective. Science is the process that takes us from confusion to understanding in a manner that's precise, predictive, and reliable. A transformation for those lucky enough to experience it. That is empowering and emotional. With this beautiful quote, I, Sanvi, welcome you all to this special morning assembly on behalf of grade 6. Today is 28th February, a day to remember the great soul, Sir C.V. Raman, who was a torchbearer to lead us to the world of inventions and discoveries. This day is celebrated to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman in the year 1928. The revolutionary discovery has since then been used endlessly to channel growth and scientific advancement. Let's get involved to bring in our innovative thoughts for the betterment of humanity. With this note, let's begin our program.
Raman effect is a phenomenon in the spectroscopy discovered by the eminent physicist C.V. Raman while working in the laboratory of Indian Association Cultivation of Science, Kolkata. After 2 years in 1930, he got the Nobel Prize for this remarkable discovery, and this was the first Nobel Prize for India in the field of science. The basic objective of observation of National Science Day is to spread the importance of science and its applications among the people. The theme for National Science Day 2021 is the future of STI, science, technology, innovation, impacts on education, skills and work. Everyone, including students, teachers, schools, celebrate this day with science exhibitions, research demonstrations, speeches, quizzes, competitions, and much more.
I am going to talk about the Raman effect. The Raman effect is the change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by molecules. Dr. C.V. Raman also discovered the Raman scattering, which generally gives information about the vibrations within a molecule. For his groundbreaking work in the field of light scattering earned him a Nobel Prize for Physics in the year 1930. He was also honored the highest civilian award in India, the Bharat Ratna, in the year 1954. Thank you everyone.
The scientific method goes step by step. The scientific method, you experiment. You start with a problem, try to find a solution. The scientific method, this is how you do it. A-S-I-T-C-I, then state your conclusion. This is the science method. Everyone can use it. A-S-I-T-C-I, then state your conclusion. Start with the problem and end with the solution.
COVID-19 vaccine is one of the biggest steps in the fight against COVID-19. India has approved the emergency use of 2 of the vaccine candidates that were under trials in the country. Both Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and Serum Institute of India's Covishield have received emergency use approvals in India. The Oxford AstraZeneca COVID vaccine, named Covishield in India, also known as AZD1222 globally, uses a replication deficient chimpanzee viral vector based on a weakened version of a common cold virus called the adenovirus. It contains the genetic material of the SARS-CoV-2 virus spike protein. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, on the other hand, is an inactive form of the novel coronavirus itself. The strain was isolated from an asymptomatic COVID-19 patient at the National Institute of Virology, Pune, by the Indian Council of Medical Research. The vaccine uses an inactive form of the virus to produce an immune response that will attack the actual virus if it enters the body in future.
My name is Anushka Das and I will be telling you about Solar Water Solutions Adaptive Nozzle Value System. More than 700 million people lack access to safe water globally. So Solar Water Solutions created the Adaptive Nozzle Value System, also known as ANVS, a technology that purifies water by leveraging the sun's renewable energy. It's now generating clean water for up to 10,000 people every day in off-grid communities in Kenya, Namibia and Indonesia, among other countries. Thank you.
Autonomous vehicles are no longer a matter in sci-fi movies. It is something that's going to become common in the coming decades. Every year there is progress, so will it be in 2021. What is currently an unachievable goal is the level 5 of autonomy vehicles. This means that it's completely independent of human assistance. It is not surprising that the leading companies like Tesla or Volvo are approaching or achieving this goal by 2021.
मुश्किल राज है फिर भी खाम 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 में ट्विंकल राज है मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल राज है फिर भी खाम 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 में ट्विंकल राज है चांद को करके रहेंगे आज को बत्ती हम पूरा चांस है 3, 2, 1 दिल में आस है क्योंकि दिल में आस है
All of my life I have been fascinated by the big questions that face us, and I have tried to find scientific answers to them. If, like me, you have looked at the stars and tried to make sense of what you see, you too have started to wonder what makes the universe exist. By Stephen Hawking. With this inspiring note, I am bringing an end to this special morning assembly. Let's take the strong support of science to organize our curiosity. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Let's unlock this mysterious world of creativity. Thank you.